3/8" fuel line, we won't be needing these. What's going on today, guys? So I got big plans for today. We're gonna hopefully pull the rear axle out of underneath the truck. If you notice right there, I got the 08 Super Duty tailgate on. I'll do a brief little rundown on how I did that and what what goes into it. And it's pretty simple. You just got to grab like the tailgate and then one other little part, and it'll go right on. So we'll go ahead and get started on that, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so for the 08 Super Duty tailgate to go on, don't mind the old tractor here. Oh, and then my little corner of parts as well. That tip. To do the 08 Super Duty tailgate, I'll grab this guy. This is what comes on 99 to 07 Super Duties. On the driver's side, this is the driver's side tailgate hinge. It's circular, and on the 08 and up Super Duty tailgates, it's not circular, it's oval shaped. I'll show you guys real quick. So the wind is awful today, so I'm not going to be able to really show it too well, but you guys got an idea. I'll throw a picture in there real quick so you guys can actually see the difference between the circular sized driver's side hinge and then the oval shaped driver's side hinge that goes on the 08 Super Duty tailgates. The 08 Super Duty tailgates, they are substantially lighter than the previous models, and in my opinion, they look 10 times better. They got the little Super Duty emblem that goes across the bottom, big Ford emblem in the middle. They just look way better than the older styles. So it was, I found it at the junkyard, picked it up for like $100, so couldn't go wrong. And then the hinge came with it, so yeah, it was pretty easy to swap. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling that rear axle out. Alright, so I'm really just going to try to work around the wind. I got the parking cable off on both sides. You can see that is a pain in the butt. Kind of sits on that tab right there, and then it clicks in right there. That is a pain in the butt. So, but I got it off, and now I have the frame supported right here just in front of where I'm going to be cutting. The reason you want to do that when you're pulling the axle is you want the axle to be able to droop down. So its tires are off the ground, it's supported right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these U-bolts and stuff and get this frame out, or get this axle out of the way. Alright guys, so there it is. Axle is officially out of the way. Frame rails are both all the way open. Next step, I'm gonna power wash it, put some purple power on it, and hopefully gonna be cutting the frame here soon. Probably within the next couple days, next week here. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for tonight. It's been a long day, got a lot of work done on the truck out there, so very, very excited about, all the progress that I'm making. So I got the leaf springs in the back here. I'm going to tackle that tomorrow. I'm going to pull out that center bolt and remove 2 of the leaves out of the pack on both of them. The frame is completely open and ready to go, so hopefully within the next week here I'm going to be cutting the frame and prepping it, and going to be going ahead and putting the rust-proof PUUUUUSH on the frame as well. The PUUUUUUSH is going to hopefully show up tomorrow, so if it does, I'm going to be PUUUUUSH the truck bed rails, and so I'll get a video of that, and I will get a video of the leaf springs. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to, leave a comment below, and I will catch you guys on the next one.